Welcome to Beta Mail, where today we're going to be replacing the battery on a VW T5 Transporter or Caravelle key fob. Kit you're going to need: a replacement battery. This is the 2032 size 3-volt battery, and a screwdriver with a wide flathead on it. So top tip, make sure you get a wide flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you why. This previous owner, they've gone in here with a narrower flathead, and you can see when you open up the key the damage that's been done in this little area here when they've tried to use a narrow one. So using your wide flathead, you're just going to pop the flathead in. You're going to rotate. If there's a bit of damage, it might be a bit of a pain. Like this is proven. That's it. And then rotate, and then you should be able to pull these two segments apart. Okay, now the battery is actually housed in this end, and what you can do, another top tip, is get the actual key itself, pop it into that recess, and then you should be able to prise that end bit apart, and then that's where the battery is housed itself. Now to get the battery out, you can get your screwdriver again and just lift it, and it should flick out like so. You're then going to get your new battery, pop it in, take the other side, press together until you hear it click, and then again just press the key fob back together until it clicks, and that's you good to go. As always, if you found the video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.